Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Over the years, we have been informing you about the products we offer with either an informational or installation video so you can know more about the product you're looking at. Like anything else, we have gotten better when it comes to camera and sound quality, but there have always been those human errors that typically happen, causing different takes. So as a thank you for hitting 10,000 subscriber mark, here are some of my somewhat embarrassing outtakes over the years. I'll give you a warning, some of these might look a bit rough. Then you're going to take the license plate part of it. As I said earlier, this little pin, you're going to pull that back a little bit, line those pins up, slide it in place. And once you hear it click, bracket's installed. Really that simple. If my phone didn't ring, it would have been just fine. Hello? Yeah. Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance. Today I'm here to talk to you about the front bumper cover for the... Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and today I'm here to talk to you about the 2016 front bumper mask for... Hey guys, today... Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and today I'm here to show you the... Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and today I'm here to show you how to install the mirror covers.
And action.
Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and today I'm here to talk to you about the ACS splitter for the 2016 Camaro. We're also going to show you how to install it.
Yeah, you f***ed that all up.
God damn it, I told you to make me nervous.
How am I making you nervous? You want me, I'm sorry, just go.
Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and today I'm here to show you how to install the 2016...
Hey guys, Ricardo Salinas here with Ricardo with Phastek Performance. Guys, we got the brand new ACS front splitter for your 2016 Camaro SS. Before we take this paint, we're going to go ahead and install it to kind of give you an idea exactly what it's going to look like. After we install it, we'll show you exactly what it's going to look like when it's once it's painted, or however you want to go about doing that. So that you all up now, didn't I? I'm leaving. I'm just leaving. Let me know when you get to. I'll peek out the window or something.
Yes, I'll call you.
I'm out.
Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek. Alright guys, now here we are on the bottom half of the car. Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and today I'm here to show you how to install the Mishimoto cold air intake for the 6th generation Camaro SS. Now in the kit, what you're going to get is you're going to get their high flow air filter, their 5-inch mass airflow housing, their silicone intake tube, and their aluminum box. Now here's all the hardware that you will need to go ahead and put everything together, and along with a couple little tools that we'll go ahead and...
You were doing so well.
That was so well too.
So well. So well.
God damn it.
You don't get that splitter in the background on the ground over there.
That one over there?
That one there.
That one right there?
That one there. Can you hear me? Am I on mic? Mic check. Chicka chicka what? Chicka 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 chicka. Stressing out Ricardo this morning because he's got this car to finish, and then he's got Jeremy's car to do after that, which he knows is gonna be a cluster.
Big old shiny noggin in the way. Alright guys, now that we have our scoop installed, we're going to go ahead and install the washer tank. Now the washer tank is going to mount to the outside. Alright guys, now that we have our intake scoop installed, we're going to go ahead and get the washer tank and everything mounted in. Alright guys, now that we have our scoop installed, we're going to get the water... Alright guys, now that we have our scoop installed, we're going to go ahead and get the washer tank side of the install completed. Alright guys, now that we have our scoop installed, we're going to go ahead and get the washer tank side of the install completed. It's going to be simple. Should have just left it at that. Alright guys, now that completes the installation of the Hero rear reflectors for the 6th gen Camaro. If you guys have any questions or comments, please comment down below or shoot us an email or give us a phone call. Our phone lines are always open. Nope. Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. The Flowmaster American Thunder Catback Exhaust System gives your Silverado or Sierra 1500 a classic sound while adding a modern performance style look to the back half of your truck. The system is a direct bolt-on kit that is constructed out of mandrel bent. Try it again. Take two. Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. The Flowmaster American Thunder. Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. The Flowmaster American Thunder Catback Exhaust Systems gives your Silverado or Sierra 1500 a classic sound while adding a modern performance style. Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. The Flowmaster, God. I like to just, yeah, I know what I need to say. Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. The Flowmaster American Thunder Catback Exhaust System gives your Silverado or Sierra 1500 a classic sound while adding a modern performance style look to the back half of your truck. This system is a direct bolt-on that is constructed out of mandrel bent T409S, not T. Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. The Flowmaster American Thunder Catback Exhaust Systems gives your Silverado or Sierra 1500 a classic sound while adding a bit of a modern. There you have it, guys. Some outtakes I hope brought a smile to your face. I know looking back over them, they did make me chuckle a few times. Again, thank you for the support you have brought to us. We hope to continue to grow and get better as we go along. Don't fear, though I am pretty sure the human errors will still be around for some later videos.